Namaste. Welcome back to Diecast. In our first video, I promised to show you the great race with my all 42. If you not watched my car collection, click on the link above to see it. Today we are going to have 10 heat races, 3 semi-finals and 1 grand. So, let's get going. Roll it in. This is my Hot Wheels whole line racetrack. It's gifted to me by my cousin Diecast. Let's go racing. Bugatti. Honda Twingo, Beetle, Nissan 370, Honda Civic. And the winner is Honda Twingo. Jackson comment, Contessa, Alfa Romeo, Pontiac Firebird. The winner is Contessa. Aston Martin, Audi R8. Is the MX-5, Shelby Cobra. And the winner is Audi R8. Vigo RCZ, Volvo C30, Subaru BRZ, Mitsubishi Lancer. The winner is Bingo! Bugatti, Lamborghini, Ferrari Spider, Ferrari GTS. And the winner is Ferrari GTS. Celero GT, McLaren NASCAR, Tesla Roadster, Corvette GR1. And the winner is Celero GT. Maserati, Acura Le Mans, Porsche 911, Jaguar I-Pace. The winner is Jaguar I-Pace. BMW 5S, Camaro, Benz AMG, Mustang. The Cruiser, El Camino, Chevy Wagon, Lexus 1975. And the winner is Chevy Wagon. Ford Bronco, Toyota Hilux, Jeep Rubicon, Suzuki Jimny. And the winner is Toyota Hilux. Semi-final 1. Honda Twingo, Contessa, Audi R8, Vigo RCZ. The winner is Vigo. Next, semi-final 2. Celeron GT, Benz AMG, Ferrari GTS. It's the racer. The winner is it's the racer. Now we have semi-final 3. Jaguar I-Pace, Chevy Wagon, Toyota Hilux, Paco Massive, World Cup entry. And the winner is Chevy Wagon. It's time for grand final. Bingo! It's the racer. Chevy Wagon. Celeron GT, World Cup entry. And the winner is Equalizer. This racetrack is awesome. I hope you had fun too. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Junior the Toy Boy. See you next time. Bye.